3D printed energy-absorbing structures, EAS, have shown promising findings for crashworthiness application, with recent advancements in mechanical behavior and crushing performance. The main 3D printing technological processes, material feedstocks choices, and unique structural designs are discussed in detail, along with deformation modes obtained under different loading conditions. Future realization of complex 3D printed EAS is suggested as a springboard to propel the technological advancement of additively manufactured EAS for protective devices in vehicles.
This article was authored by Chukwuemeke William Isaac and Fabian Duddeck.